Guess what? I received a DJI Neo drone from my daughter for Christmas. So I haven't been sloughing off with the walking. I know what I've got to do. I have been a little delayed because of all the cold weather, the rainy weather, all that kind of stuff. But for the past 3 weeks, I have managed to get out in my neighborhood and go around the circle twice each day, which gives me about 6,000 steps. So today is a beautiful day outside, and I thought this is going to be perfect for me to test out my pilot skills, my drone pilot skills that is, and see what I can produce. So we're going to go for a walk right now, and we're also going to show you some shots from the drone. So here we go. Can you hear it in the background? Hopefully not, because that's another function. The sound of the drone should be eliminated since I'm using my mobile phone to control things. Anyway, we're up in Daisy Field. It's about a quarter of a mile around the circle up here, and I go around it 5 times, 7 o'clock in the morning and again at 7 p.m. in the evening. So it makes about 6,000 steps, which is the best I can do. The weather has not been my type of weather, a bit too cold, and so I had to figure out something, given that I have an appointment with my doctor February 27th. She's going to be looking for results, so hopefully I'll have something good to report. So that's lap number 1. I'm going to do the remaining 4 laps without my little drone following me. So I'm going to land it now. Where is it? I just have to stick my hand out under it. And there you go. Land it. So that lap number 1 done. I'm now into lap number 2 without my drone following me. Just me and my trusty DJI Pocket 2. So yeah, that was fun. A little bit of fun. Not, exceedingly exciting or anything, but still. Hopefully the footage will look decent once I download it and everything. In the meantime, this is the shot that I normally take in the morning to catch the sunrise from Daisy Field, sending everybody good wishes and a good day. I haven't even had breakfast yet actually, and it's got to be at least like 9:30. But this morning I took Bella to school, left Somerset at 7:15, got back somewhere around 8:30, quarter to 9, and I wanted to get the walk out of the way before having breakfast, just because I feel that if I have breakfast I might get a little lazy. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm sure it's all going to work out for me today. It's such a beautiful day. Finally, sunshine and low wind. So I was actually able to do something with the drone. I need to get my pilot skills upped. You know what I mean? Coming into lap number 3. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes to do the 5 laps of Daisy Field. I think, like I said, each lap is about a quarter of a mile. I actually feel really good today. Yesterday, oh my goodness, I had back pain, hip pain. I was a complete mess. I don't know what that was all about. I have no idea. But definitely today, I feel good, really good. And this beautiful weather is helping my state of mind. Hopefully it's helping your state of mind too. You know what I mean? Yeah, hope you're having a good January because it's almost over and February is coming fast. Coming to the end of lap number 3. There's my little cottage over there. I like Daisy Field. I've been here, this year will make 31 years, so I guess I do like it. It's quiet. The neighbors are great. Yeah. When I first came here, my daughter was about 12, and she remarked one day that there are no kids here, because it was quite, yeah, she was right. There were no children, and there still aren't really any children. We used to have to import people for her to play with. There's one little girl, a couple of little girls in the neighborhood, but you know, not like when we were growing up or people my age were growing up. The neighborhoods were like full of kids. We would have such a good time, and everybody of course was outside. That's another thing. The kids that are here, they're active in the sense that they use the circle like a running track because they're both runners and they train. But in terms of just playing outside, that does not happen. Not in these days, apparently. I feel good. I knew that I would now. Yeah, I feel good. James Brown. Back in the 60s, probably. Anyway, the days of good songs. 60s, 70s, maybe the 80s. There's my neighbor. He's back on the roof doing some work. I guess coat number 2. So yeah, such a beautiful day. It's a great day today, so.
It's the right day.
Yep.
The weather's nice.
Yeah. Okay, good luck today.
Yes, thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay. See, already I'm in lap number 5. This will be my last lap. Just like that. So any of you out there sort of procrastinating, break it down. Do 2 sessions, morning and evening or morning and afternoon. That makes it a little easier to accomplish. At least that's what I'm finding. So, yeah. 5 laps, 20-25 minutes, and I feel like I've accomplished something. And then in the evening I have dinner, come back out. It's usually dark, but that's okay because, you know, I'm just going around the neighborhood. Yeah, and it all works out. Had to do something. I had to do something. So today marks the end of week 3 of doing the Daisy Field track. I love those palm trees up there, all those palm trees. It's like a cluster on 2 different properties, but they just look so nice. It's called Daisy Field because about 50 years ago, maybe 60 or so, it was nothing but daisies, and no houses, all up in here. But today it probably should be called Cedar Field because there are so many cedar trees on various properties. See, there's a bunch right there on that property, and then there's this really nice looking one here on this property. A couple of them actually, because there's another smaller one. Another one, 2 more on the same property, the first one, and another one on this property. So that's 3. Hi Kayla, how are you? Good. 3 on this property here. And then this one where my neighbor is doing his roof, he must have a dozen cedar trees on his property alone. You see them all? It's just in the front or the roadside section. All of these cedar trees. And there's probably more at the back. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I count 6 here. 7, 8, 9 actually. And even I have one. I have a beautiful cedar tree. There's my cedar tree. I love it. And then my neighbor on this side, both my neighbors on this side, everybody has cedar trees. Anyway, this marks the end of lap 5. So, hope you enjoyed the walk. Now I'm going to do a little more testing with the drone and hopefully attach that as part of this video. Let me know what you think about it, okay? Because that's another whole place. The sound of the girl being eliminated. And so you can have to buy a pair. Anyway, we're up in Gainesville. It's about a quarter of a mile along the circle up here. And I've been around it 5 times. At approximately morning. And the girl next to here. So it makes about 6 hours. This is the best I can do. This is what I have been my time. Hey Donnie, how are you? Good. Careful now. I do. My new toy for my daughter. Yeah. Whew. Okay, so that's lap number 1. I'm going to do the remaining 4 laps without my little drone following me. So I'm going to land it now. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. Just to give you a little sampling. Hopefully my piloting skills will improve as time progresses. They should. Anyway, we're going in for a landing.